Hello everyone, this is Amit Anand Pandey with the YouTube channel Benzene 66. Here you will find various tricks and tips to make learning chemistry easy. Do subscribe the channel Benzene 66, comment and like the videos to get more videos like this. So let's begin. Welcome everyone to Benzene 66. Today we'll discuss naming of benzenoids, that is benzene derivatives. Benzenoids having at least one benzene ring present in that. Along with benzene derivatives, some other benzenoids are naphthalene, anthracene and phenanthrene. Benzene derivatives are obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of benzene by different functional groups. Various common names of benzenoids are universally used and also accepted by IUPAC. Benzene derivatives are named after the type of substitution present in benzene ring. Benzene ring with one hydrogen substitution having formula C6H5 is pronounced as phenyl or phenyl. Benzene ring with one hydrogen substituted by one carbon atom having two hydrogen with it is known as benzyl. Benzene ring having one carbon side chain with only one hydrogen, that means other two valencies of carbon are completed by some other atom or group of atoms known as benzyl. Benzene ring having one carbon attached to it with no hydrogen, that means other three valencies of carbon are to be satisfied by some other functional group known as benzo. Now we'll see how the benzene derivatives are named using these terms. You can see the example of phenol having phenyl, that is C6H5, and ol suffix that is used for alcohol OH group, the name is phenol. By the one side chain carbon having two hydrogen with it pronounced as benzyl, so that C6H5CH2Cl named as benzyl chloride. Similarly, benzyl alcohol is named having one carbon side chain having a hydrogen pronounced as benzyl. So the name of C6H5CHO is benzaldehyde from benzyl and aldehyde. Benzene derivatives with one carbon side chain having no hydrogen atoms with carbon named as benzo. So the name of compound having CN group named as benzonitrile and with COOH group named as benzoic acid. Some other names for benzene derivatives named by the scientist who worked on that and not named by the rules we discussed, having compounds like aniline and toluene for that. Thanks for watching. I will come with more topics in chemistry in my next videos. Please share and subscribe Benzene 66.